You might know Nanoleaf for its smart LED lights, but the company is expanding into masks. This is the aptly named Nanoleaf Light Therapy Face Mask, and it utilizes those LEDs for a very different purpose, improving your skin. Across 7 different treatment modes, it claims to treat the likes of fine lines, acne, uneven skin tone, or issues with collagen production. And Nanoleaf is pitching this as a genuine skincare product. The mask is FDA Class 2 certified in the US, but that only verifies its safety, not effectiveness at treating skin conditions. However, multiple studies do suggest that the red and near-infrared light that it uses can be a useful treatment for various skin issues. There's no denying that the mask looks like something out of a horror movie, especially in the bright red mode, but the various other shades are only slightly less terrifying. It's surprisingly comfortable to wear, and with each treatment lasting only 10 to 15 minutes, it can easily be integrated into your morning or evening routine. The mask itself is permanently attached to the controller via a wire, but the device is totally wireless while in operation. It's charged via USB-C, with a full charge lasting up to 10 hours. That's more than 40 treatments. LED light therapy masks like this are nothing new, and Nanoleaf isn't about to fix every issue you might have with your skin, but it is impressively affordable, at least compared to the competition. The mask costs just $149.99 in the US, with pre-orders live now ahead of an expected release later this year. Even if you just want to scare friends and family at night, it could be worth the investment.